What makes cat's eye so fascinating? Cat's eyes are both mysterious and fascinating, from their incredible glow to their piercing stares. But did you know that cats have difficulty seeing some colors? And do you know why they make such good nighttime hunters? It's interesting to learn that the clearest range of vision for a cat is from about 10 to 80 centimeter. Any further or closer and the world becomes a bit of a blur. You may think this means cats have poor eyesight that we do, but it's not just about clarity that makes vision so exceptional. Most of us have heard of the retina, the inner lining of the back of the eyeball that transmits light's message to the brain. The retina is largely made up of cells called photoreceptors. These cells fall into two categories. Rods help us to see in low light and detect movement, and cones help us to see in daylight, including distinguishable colors and shades. It's not surprised that the cats have more rods than humans, 200 million to our 120 million, giving them their acute night vision and the ability to detect movement that would simply pass us without any detection. Additionally, you may have noticed how cats' eyes become almost luminous in the dark. They appear this way thanks to a reflective layer that sits behind the retina, which increases sensitivity to light. This in turn acts like a mirror to help improve night vision. Cat eyes are also positioned similarly to human eyes. However, their field of vision is greater than our own. Cats are able to see 200 degrees around them compared to our 180. This ability to see more than their surroundings, coupled with their acute night vision, means cats have an incredible activity to detect movement from either prey and enemies in a way that we simply can't. For many centuries, it was believed that cats could only see in black and white. As scientific research progressed, numerous studies began to produce results that showed otherwise. So some research findings have produced variety findings. The general consensus amongst scientists is that cats do in fact see color, just in different ways to humans. According to some researchers, the way cats see color can be likened to that of a color-blind human. Others suggest that cats mainly see colors on the blue-green scale and have difficulty determining different reds, pinks or oranges, as well as various shades of color. Cats might have more rod cells than humans, but we have more cone cells. As we need light to distinguish between colors and their shades, this helps to explain why cats see color in a different and less clearly ways to us. Like us, cats' pupils change depending on the lighting around them. You might have noticed that your cat's pupils are elongated much like a leaf. When exposed to light, a cat's pupils will form a thin vertical line. Conversely, pupils of some other animals form a thin horizontal line. So why are they vertically shaped for cats? According to research published in several magazines, there is a clear link between the shape of the animal's pupils to that its lifestyle. Ambush predators like cats require precision in their ability to judge distances. Vertically elongated pupils allows the animals to do this while keeping their heads still to avoid detectable movement. They also allow for better visibility in low light, meaning they can strike from a relative close range. It's interesting to note that the prey animals feature horizontally elongated pupils. Like most creatures, cats' eyes change depending on their mood or concentration levels, especially when hunting. If you're keen to understand more about your cat's mood, pay close attention to their eyes. You may just notice a thing or two. For example, if you notice your cat's pupils contract suddenly, they may be displeased or angry. And usually this might be accompanied by a low short meow, straightened fur and ears pushed back. These signs can also be indicative of the concentration needed when hunting or playing various games with your cat. If your cat's pupils appear dilated and their ears are pushed back, this may be a sign of alertness, protection, or fear. Loud or strange noises can trigger such a response. And because we all love a happy cat, if your feline friend slowly blinks their eyes at you, it's more than likely that they are relaxed and happy.